Should I do it? Ding ding! Jar Q coming through. Yo. Oh shit. What up, doggy? No. Pretty bad when you see something like this and you gotta make sure it's not a person. Yo! What is a red light? Dumbass motherfucker. Downtown Phoenix, baby. Let's get through here without getting hit.
Love you, Pat.
Thank you. For today's video, I was looking up good areas to go ride my bike, and I came across a list of the worst neighborhoods in Arizona, specifically Phoenix. And this area here is called Central City. The neighborhood of Central City. It includes downtown, a little bit of the airport, and a bit of South Phoenix. So I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna see how bad it actually is. Supposedly the violent crime rate is about 700% higher than the national average out here. Halloween morning, it is about 10:20. You're gonna see why they call this the most dangerous neighborhood in Arizona. Gonna take a left here on 7th Ave. 7th Ave and Grant. You know what? Let's go over here. Let's go over here. This is near the Zone homeless encampment. So I have been down in this area a couple of times, but I haven't been really much more south of here. So I'm gonna check this out real quick and then we're gonna head more south, see what's going on. Oh yeah, it's active out here today, guys. Ah. Do not want to know what he's digging for. All right, we're gonna roll through here real quick. But I've been through here before, you guys have seen this. I want to get a little bit farther south and really get into the neighborhood. But for now, this is the Zone on Halloween morning, 2024. Tweaking. Oh, they got a basketball court over here. Who's trying to hoop? Yo. Mad amount of people in there. I'm trying to get in this basketball hoop though. Who's out here trying to hoop? Anybody trying to hoop? Nobody. Man, happy Halloween, guys. What's up, brother? There's more people than there was last time. Excuse me, brother. Yo, what is with that bus? This is it, guys. They say the Zone has been shut down, but what exactly did they shut down? I thought this was a legit school bus. Sure as hell ain't. If I'm not mistaken, this restaurant right here, Old Station, I think they're the ones that started the lawsuit to actually get the Zone shut down. They were having so many issues. I guess they were finding stuff out here. So they got that all started and ultimately won. But did they actually win? Because from what you can see here, It's not really shut down, as they say. Glass everywhere, bro. 12th Ave and Jefferson. Come back down this way to show you guys. This is a sight to see. Halloween, man. I think they're offering medical and food over here, which is cool. Let's roll through this way one more time, and then we're gonna head south. Get deeper into the neighborhoods. Oh, there goes 2 planes. The Andre House is that one. That one, yeah, I've heard of that. The Andre House. Yeah, guys. This is reality. Real life haunted house. All right, let's keep rolling, guys. We got a lot of ground to hit today. A lot. At least 25, 30 miles. Downtown is just right here to our left. Basically, that's where we are. We'll probably come up this way a little bit later, but I want to head south right now. Got this sheriff bus. Won't catch me in one of those. Not me, baby. All right, let's keep going. I'm gonna stay on this road for now just because it's so clean. It's too early in the ride to be popping tires. Straight ahead is Chase Field, where the Arizona Diamondbacks play. Okay, I need to find a main road and get out of this industrial area so I can show you guys some more of the city. There goes a Waymo car. You think it'll hit me if I go straight at it? Let's test it. Thank you, Waymo. Hey, he stopped. I'm gonna take 7th all the way down because that's where some of the worst areas are, according to the map. Again, anybody who lives here, they're gonna have different opinions, or maybe people live in these neighborhoods, and I'm not saying that these are all fact. I'm reading a lot of different things talking about certain neighborhoods, and that's what I'm gonna check out. I don't believe everything I read, I promise you that. Fucker did not see me. 7th Street in Buckeye. Now we're getting into it. I'm not really gonna be stopping a whole lot just because I don't know where I am and I don't feel comfortable, so I'm just gonna kind of ride through, and whatever we get in the first run through is what we get. Here comes a cop right here. Sees me riding on the street. What's everybody honking at, man? Why's everybody so angry all the time? Let's keep headed south. Hopefully this guy stops. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Try to live today, guys. No wrecks today. So I've taken you guys through 27th Ave. I've taken you through some underpasses with a whole lot of but this feels a little bit different out here, guys. Oh, there might be a tunnel right there. That's what we want in the worst neighborhood in Phoenix. Yeah, I think we're gonna try and go through here if it's open. Let's go. Let me put my shades back on so I look like an undercover cop. I thought that car was abandoned at first. 13th Street. And what is it that we're on here? Gibson. If you guys know the area, let me know. If you live anywhere near here, let me know. And let me know where I should go next time I'm out here. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, God. That is such a scary sound when you're out here on a bike, all by yourself. Oh, God. Oh, God. John, what are you doing? I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but my thumb got pretty messed up. I'm finally able to move it, but it's still purple and red and swollen. Yesterday, it looked like Nutty Professor. My hand was huge. 16th Street and Watkins. We're gonna keep going south, I think until we get to Southern. Holy shit. All right, we're at Broadway. I'm gonna have to be fine with that. That's as far south as I'm getting right now. I've gone south far enough. Now let's get this started, guys. So we're just gonna head west on Broadway and see what we can get into down here in South Phoenix. So what are you guys doing for Halloween today? Going trick-or-treating, taking your kids out? Or y'all some grown-ass adults and gonna try to get some candy on your own? I plan on going out and taking a little ride through the busy neighborhoods, just seeing everybody dressed up and in their costumes. Should be pretty cool. As I said before, I have no idea where we are. Oh, what did I get into here? Yo, there's like 50. Okay, these are undercover. Let's get out of here. There goes a cop or a dog. What up, puppy? Yeah, let's get out of here. Broadway and 16th Street. That's where the action has started. I like to ride out here and have action. Just have something going on. Get my adrenaline going a little bit. Moved here in 07 and all I ever hear is, oh, South Phoenix this, South Phoenix that. Well, I mean, I believe these people when they say it's bad. I can tell that they mean it, and a lot of them lived here, so, but just how bad is it compared to other places? And does it have to be at nighttime? Is it any time? Everything I read says that this place is bad 24 hours a day. In the public eye or not, doesn't matter. You gotta watch your back. With that being said, is this a neighborhood? If it is, let's get back in. "13th Street and Wood." Let me know where you guys are from, man. If you happen to see your street or your neighborhood while we're out today or in any of my videos, let me know. And let me know what I'm missing in your neighborhood. Was there something cool that I missed? Was there an area that's a little sketch that I may have blown by? Let's get back onto Broadway. Stay on the main roads for now. It looks like, at least where we are right now, that the neighborhoods are kind of spread apart, few and far between. So we're just gonna have to go in and out and trying to find the spots. Homeboy tried to walk into me on purpose. It's all good. Hey, so what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer to live in the city? Or you like to be away from the people and the action? Like to be out in the country a little bit? I'm kind of both. I need to be, I like the city, but I love the country as well, so I kind of have to be somewhere close. Somewhere that's just far enough away from the city that it feels a little secluded, but just close enough to come back and enjoy all the amenities that the city offers. Hopefully this is 7th up here. 4th Street and Broadway. Let's see what's up. A whole lot of junkyards back here. Dead end. Yeah, I'm better off on the sidewalk. Yo, don't let the bark of that dog fool you. Those little ones will get you. Riverside and 4th Street. Oh shit. Dougie. No. No. Damn, he's fast too and he ain't stopping. What's up, bro? Why you gotta be like that, man? I was just being cool. All right, brother. As I say that, little guy stands on business and kicks me out the hood. It ain't my street, and he knew it. I thought he was gonna keep following me. If I wasn't on an e-bike, he would have had my ankles. Yo, I'm really hungry, and I don't want to go anywhere where I have to leave my bike, so I'm looking for like a Sonic or something. It's quiet out here, like eerily quiet. We're in the middle of Phoenix, Arizona, the 5th largest city in the country, and I hear silence. I feel like it's a dead giveaway when you go through a neighborhood and a lot of the houses are fenced in. I mean, it's good to have security, that's great, but it does kind of tell you that there's something to worry about out here. If you guys are enjoying this content, remember, subscribe. I'm gonna be out here all the time. And if you send in a request, let me know what you wanna see. I'll get it done. I might not get it done right away, but I will get it done. I feel like if I leave this area now, I'll never come back. Maybe go down one of these alleys or something. Yeah, let's get over there and check out that alley. That alley seems to run forever. But at the same time, that does mean glass. Holy crap. Do I actually want to do this? Oh, shit. This doesn't look passable. God damn. This is stupid. Hopefully there's a way through here. Oh, let's get the hell out of here. Jesus Christ, 2 German shepherds. I honestly like little neighborhoods like this, just old school neighborhoods, smaller houses. People do that, I love it, I love it. All right, let's head north. That was an interesting alley. Wow, he's so cool. See, it's pretty bad when you see something like this and you gotta make sure it's not a person. Armin Park. That's pretty cool. Let's go through the nasty grass. Fourth Ave and Buckeye. Making my way down. Whoa! Whoa, what just happened? You didn't see me, did you? It's a cool part of town. I like it. Brand new sidewalks. Let's use them before they get broken.
Love your hat.
Thank you. We have gone 17 miles. Let's head under the tunnel. just gonna find some new stuff we've never seen. Let's go. Downtown Phoenix, baby. Let's get through here without getting hit. Beautiful out here today, guys. Let's see if we can see all the way up. That's pretty cool. Not something you see in the north side ever. No tall buildings at all. So beautiful down here when it's not blazing hot and you can actually take your time and explore. If you guys are enjoying these city e-bike tours, smash that like button as hard as you can, man. It lets me know that you're loving it. It gives me motivation to get out and do some more. And for sure, subscribe. That's without being said. Van Buren and 2nd Street. Let's go. What is a red light? Which way should we go? Which way should we go? Let's go left. And we got a bike lane, baby. We're over here on 1st and Pierce. Bike lane. Oh, bike and cars will share here. Beautiful area. If I'm not mistaken, there's a breakfast joint right here that is so freaking good. Where are you? Where? Yeah, Matt's Big Breakfast. If you're in Phoenix and have never had Matt's Big Breakfast, please, right there, check it out. It's so good. I'm just making my way north now, guys. We're kind of leaving downtown and we're just gonna see where we end up. Sir, we do! Get off me! Oh, let's go down in here. There was a lot going on down here when I came through. I was on my mountain bike back then. Yeah, there's always people hanging out right over here, chilling, which is cool. So we got a little bit of everything today. We got a nice peaceful area like this, and then we got the zone homeless area we went through, so it's a good mixture of everything today. That's interesting. So we're heading north on Central. If I was to take this all the way up, I mean, eventually I'd have to get off onto a different road, but basically run me right into my house up by the 101, way north of here. Thank you. Thank you for not killing me. Driving on the road is so nice, but it's pretty freaking scary. Everybody's on their phones, not paying attention. I love this, the big tall buildings. Such a nice change of environment. Damn. My God, it was laid out. Dumbass motherfucker, bro. Woo. Let's get up to 19th and one more street light, and then we'll start heading north. 19th is one place we really haven't explored at all on this channel. I've had a bunch of people in the comments saying, go to 19th, go to 19th. Well, here I am, 19th Ave and Camelback. I'm gonna just keep heading north. I'm all the way up 19th to my house. So I'm gonna keep heading north, see what we get into. I'm probably not gonna stop too many times, so I don't have a lot of storage space, but we're gonna see what we can get into out here. 19th Ave, guys. So far, we've gone about 26 miles. I don't think I can make it all the way home. Possibly, but we'll see. Shit. Pedal assist took off on me. Tell me these aren't the ugliest freaking apartments. Oh, shit. All right, Christown Animal Hospital. So we're getting close to Bethany Home Road. There was a list of 5 most dangerous blocks in Phoenix, and 19th Avenue and Bethany Home was one of them, along with Bell Ave and 19th. I guess every single one of them had a Walmart next to it. They all had that in common. I just wanted to cut down here just to see. I played semi-pro football in Phoenix way back in the day, and my practices used to be around here, and every single practice there'd be gunshots. And it was just a normal day. I mean, we wouldn't stop practicing. It just is what it is. But it's always wild out here. Always has been. Probably always will be. No matter how they try to get it better in here, but it's just not going to work. Yo! I know he saw me. That was my wife right there. Bro, what are you doing? It's just a simple roundabout. Halloween, guys. Any Halloween parties tonight? Trick-or-treating? What's going on? What's going on tonight? And you guys, oh shit. That person, no shoes, no shirt. Hey guys, real quick, while I'm out here cruising, do not forget to smash that like button. I've said it once and I'll say it again. Helps my channel so much, guys. Helps me get where I want to be and helps me take you guys where I want to take you, which is everywhere. 19th and Glendale. Still got 2 bars left. See how far we can make it. Woo, woo! Ding, ding! John Q coming through. My guy was cruising. All right, we made it to 19th and Northern, guys. I just saw my bike, bro. I'm about to go back by, but I saw the bait bike. Ashley, if you're watching, just saw your bike. That bike right there, bro. That's funny. So that turquoise bike, that beach cruiser, I'm 99% sure that's the one that I put out there as a bait bike, because those handlebars were all messed up. They're all sticky and gross, so I took them off. And I'm 99% sure that's the one. And if it is, honestly, that doesn't make me too sad. It's getting used out here. Freaking hilarious. Still got good speed, even though the battery is going down. There's not been one time where I just pulled the throttle. I've used pedal assist the whole time, but it's been the highest pedal assist. Next street light after this is Dunlap. 19th and Dunlap. Sorry, I'm trying to scare you, I'm sorry. Scared the hell out of her. She said, boy, get them brakes fixed. Kind of like it though. Lets people know I'm coming, man. Nineteenth Ave and Dunlap. We're getting closer. There's a taco spot up here that I might just stop at, man. Give me a beer and a freaking taco. Bro, I might. I just might. See me? You sure don't see me. God damn it. I guess you just gotta assume out here that nobody is gonna see you. Excuse me?
To 27th Avenue and Baseline.
That mountain right here, I climbed up this trail back in 07 when I first moved here. It was night, I was drunk, I just got in a fight with my girlfriend. I got bit by a rattlesnake. Why was I up there? Because these were my first apartments. It used to be called Shadow Mountain. These things back in the day, I mean, it was literally like the first ones I saw. I didn't know anything about Phoenix. Didn't know anything about the area, so I chose to stay here. And it was only like $600 a month. I didn't know what what kind of neighborhood I was in. I think that happens a lot if you don't do your research, which I didn't. I was 19 years old. I moved here on my 19th birthday. Sorry, 20th. And I ended up living here multiple times after that. One time in that apartment right there. My very first one though. What's this one? We're still on a mission to make it home. I think we have enough battery to get close. I don't want to have to pedal this big old bike, but I will. Let's keep going. $5.99 first month's rent. This complex has never changed. It's always been absolutely disgusting, dirt cheap, and it's always been utilities included. Forever. The last damn near 20 years, always been the same thing. Same signs, and nothing ever changes. Obviously the price has changed, I'm sure, but still probably not bad. Sorry. These brakes are shot. Yeah, have a good one. Didn't even look. Didn't care to look. I gotta get these fixed ASAP. I can't keep complaining about other people when I just can't stop. 19th and Thunderbird, folks. If you haven't done it yet, you better smash that button, man. We've been out here for freaking miles and miles. I still have at least 5 to go. Battery is getting low. But is it though? I don't know. I don't know how far this battery can go. All I know is it's at 2 bars and it started out at like 8. I'm so hungry. I have not eaten today. I haven't had a sip of water on my trip. Right across the way is Thunderbird High School. That's actually where I played my home games when I played semi-pro football. 19th and Greenway. We're just a few miles away, man. What a ride. From south to north. Ave and Bell. Does he see me? Probably not. Nope, thank you. We're still at 2 bars, but it is blinking now. I've only taken this out one time and it died on me, and that was when I went 37 miles, and it started to blink like this. Thank you. And right now, oh wow, we're at 37. We are at 37 miles. I'm gonna see if I can go 3 more miles just to get it to 40. 19th and Union Hills is the next large intersection here. th and Union Hills, want to cross over to Del Taco, and we're gonna end it in that parking lot. What a ride. What a ride. We just hit 39 miles. I only need to go 1 more mile, actually. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm not stopping until I hit 40 miles for this trip. This guy's lost. He's definitely lost. She doesn't know where she is right now. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. We're just about to hit 40 miles. What a trip. South Phoenix, all the way to North Phoenix. Ridiculous ride, beautiful weather. Saw some things, and yeah, man, if you guys like this kind of video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out so much. But anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Peace out.